Now we should move forward for the study of species diversity. The species diversity can be defined as the number of species present into the particular geographical area. It includes two very important aspects. First, species richness, and second, that is species evenness. Species richness, that means abundance of species, the more number of species present into the particular geographical area. Whereas species evenness declares the similarity of number of each species that can be seen while comparing two different geographical area. To understand better the concept of species diversity, let's consider one example. If we compare two geographical area, the geographical area A and geographical area B, and if we see that in geographical area A, there are 500 different species can be seen, including plant and animals both. Whereas in geographical area B, there are only 50 different species can be seen, including plants and animals both. So we refers that geographical area A shows species richness. That means the more variety, more number of species present into the geographical area A. One more example is given into the book of NCERT of 12th class biology, that in Western Ghat region, there is more variety of amphibians can be seen than Eastern Ghat region. Now what are Western Ghats? The Western Ghats, they are the chains of mountains from the north to south region and found in the western zone of our country, India. It includes past Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala region. Whereas Eastern Ghats, they also the mountains chains, but that is the discontinuous chain of mountains, and they spread from the northern Odisha up to the south zone, including Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu region. So in Western Ghat, we can see the more variety or the abundance of amphibians than Eastern Ghat zone. And that also we can say there is no evenness. Of course, there is no evenness while we comparing the amphibian species found into Western Ghat region and Eastern Ghat region. Now let's try to understand about the concept of another component of biodiversity, that is ecological diversity. The ecological diversity, it can be defined as the diversity that can be seen at ecosystem level. That means it also can be referred as the variation or variability of ecosystem found into a particular geographical area. To understand better, let's consider one example again. If we compare two different countries, like our country India and the country like Norway, we can see that in India there is a lot of variety of ecosystem can be seen. In our country India, there are deserts, there are tropical rainforest, the coral reef, mangroves, grassland, ocean, wetlands, river, pond, freshwater ecosystem. So there is a great variety or great number of ecosystem can be seen in our country India. Whereas in the Norway, Scandinavian country, why it is called Scandinavian country? Because Scandinavia, it's a part of Northern Europe. So the country like Norway, Sweden and Denmark, they are referred to the Scandinavian country. So in Norway, we can see the limited number of ecosystem are found. And if we compare India and Norway, so our country India, it refers the richness in ecosystem level. I hope you have understood better now the concept of ecological diversity.